Hello, this is Abby Jamison. This is my end of course assessment for Psych 806 Applied Research. Our first learning objective was to be able to demonstrate knowledge and skills of research designs, methodologies, and data analysis techniques specific to IO psychology. I feel like this is over the course of between undergrad and this is my sixth stats and or research class, and I finally feel like this one is the one that really helped me make sense of the data. I don't find reading the statistics or finding out if something is statistically significant or why difficult, but I've never understood quite so much the how behind it or why it is statistically significant. This text I did not find particularly scintillating or exciting to read. However, after going through and highlighting and then reading and rereading and rereading again for these reading quizzes and especially for the unit challenges and the homework assignments, I found that it all started to make sense, especially excuse me, in the exploratory and confirmatory factor analysis, and especially in the multiple regression analysis, discovering how those numbers take in more than just like survey results was really kind of exciting and eye-opening to me. So I do think that that's one area that I've greatly improved in. Not so greatly improved in selecting and implementing the appropriate research and analysis strategies. I still struggle with this one. There are some that are easier than others for me, such as a t-test. That one is pretty obvious. The exploratory, confirmatory factor analysis, that would be pretty obvious. Multiple regression, while I find it easy to do it, I don't know that that would be my first thought in my mind when I was analyzing something. And so I do think that to discover or implement the appropriate research and analysis strategy is just something I would really need to have more practice in before it became second nature. For the third, communicate research process, results, and implications. I do think this is one I struggle on, but I do think that it is one I am improving on. I think that this class helped me cut the crap is what I want to say, but just really get to the point. There were a couple times where I got points knocked off because I was saying too much, although I actually knew the correct answer. I was afraid of getting it wrong, so I said more than what I should have and got it wrong. I am working on relaying information in non-technical terms. I find that much harder than relaying it in technical terms. As for my learning objectives, be able to easily integrate research results. I do think that this class greatly helped me be able to look at a set of data and see how it will be helpful in something that I'm studying or looking at. Even today at work, someone said something and I was like, oh, we should run some analysis on this. And so I do think that was helpful. Also being able to produce high quality research. I 100%, these unit challenges have been so hard, but I think that they're amazing in really helping us to learn, such as the structure where you tell us, from like A to Z what we need to do. That's not something I would have, that's not how I would have put a paper together, but it is so helpful to me to do the results and then do the statistics and then do the overview afterwards. I really appreciate it now. So I do think that this class has definitely helped. I think that anyone who takes this class is going to be able to really produce some great research after. This class has been hard. I do appreciate this class.